Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Tom Ford model, Miranda TF130, in color code 28B. It's a rose gold color frame. It has a Tom Ford logo engraved on the top left lens. And in the temples, it has a Tom Ford logo in gold and a black finish on the tip of the temple. As well for this side. On the back of the frames, it would show that it is made in Italy. And this is the serial number. The lenses are a gray gradient color. Up here, we have the Tom Ford gift box, a case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and an authenticity card right over there.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.